This is a quick video tutorial for how can we use the chess.com website. So first of all, you have to go to the website, which is chess.com. Press enter and you will be seeing this kind of interface if you are a new person who is visiting this website for the first time. So here is sign up and login. You'll click on sign up, and here it will ask you for your username, which should be unique, email ID, password, and your skill level according to your expertise. So you can just sign up using Facebook, Google, or Apple ID. So since I've already signed up into this website, which is all absolutely free and easy, so I'll straight away log in using my Google ID. After logging in, you can see this kind of interface. Okay, so here you can see your profile name. So now we can play any kind of chess game of any time limit according to our wish.